Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I am going to eat some of my leftovers because I am heading off to a hot chocolate date with one of my girlfriends and I need some food in me before I head there. So yeah, I just got some leftover Thai food that I am going to eat. I got takeout from Thai Sim. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like my favorite Thai restaurant. Every time I go, the food is still but I have a lot to do today. So after the hot chocolate thing, I need to go to Lucky to get some groceries because I'm hosting a ton of my girlfriends tonight. So I need to do that first. And then I'm gonna go gym. And then might do a little bit of work. We'll see. It's kind of like a hectic Friday, which is fine. I really don't mind kind of packing things in on a Friday because then I have Saturday and Sunday to like recoup. That's about it. Hope you guys are having a great start to the week. I haven't put my hair up in a really long time. I was really into my hair extensions for a little bit and kind of got attached to the long hair, but I'm gonna like try not to wear it so much. And honestly, having my hair up has been really nice too. It just like feels so much lighter. Yeah. Oh, I'm so tired, but let's try to get a good workout in. Hey everyone, I am back home. Right now I'm just setting up for girls' noodle dinner and I'm pretty excited. I just washed the veggies and now I'm just going to set the table and then I'm gonna cut the Spam and cook the Spam probably closer to when they get here, as well as the eggs. So. Good morning. The weather is so nice. It's 5 degrees. I'm so glad that cold snap is done and over with. Today's like a later start for me, but I'm really excited because I don't have very many plans this weekend. I really want to just do a little bit of self-care. One of it is gym, and then 2, I want to go thrifting because it's been 2 months, I think, since I've gone thrifting. So I kind of want to see if I can find anything. That's kind of like the joy of thrifting. Sometimes you come out empty-handed, but that's okay.
It's ready to clean.
After going to 3 thrift stores, I actually found some things that I wanted. So I'm going to show you what I got because it's quite exciting. I still have some leftover Thai food, so I'm just going to have the Penang curry. The curry looks so good. And I have some pork jowl left, so I'm also going to heat that up.